Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan QR codes on your iPhone or iPad device. So the first thing we have to do is go ahead and open the camera settings on our iPhone device, just to ensure there is the functionality to go ahead and read the QR codes when the camera app is open. So you can easily do this by going into the settings, and then you just want to scroll all the way down until you see the camera. So I just have this here, so I'm just going to tap into here. Now once I've opened this, I just want to ensure that scan QR codes is on. So if this is grayed out, you just want to ensure that this is kept on green. So now that's enabled, we can then go ahead and open the camera app on our iPhone or iPad device and go ahead and read the QR codes. So I'm just going to exit out of here, and now I can just go ahead and open up the camera app on my iPhone device. So once we've gone ahead and opened up the camera app, the next thing you want to do is kind of just bring the QR code into frame, and I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, it reads it pretty much instantly, and then it gives me this notification here to go ahead and open the link to this particular QR code. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this now. So in this instance, this is unfortunately leading me to a website that currently isn't working, and I've surprisingly found this is the case for many QR codes, as they are not maintained that much. So depending on what type of QR code you are scanning, it will take you to a live website, or in some instances it will take you to a dead website where it is no longer maintained. So there you have it guys, that's a really quick and simple way on how to scan QR codes on your iPhone or iPad device. So I hope this quick video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see any other content relating to iPhones or iPads, please drop your ideas down below in the comment section, as I'll be more than happy to make more videos for all of you out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.